Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I get in and out of these videos in 3 minutes. I give you everything you need because you're not going to listen longer than that. Today I'm going to talk to you about the top reason your tax return gets audited by IRS. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 40 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. You can see my team at 777irs.com. We're full of former IRS agents and tax attorneys. I've been on the national news many times. You can see my videos at that same website. I've been on Fox, ABC, The Briefing Room, Newsmax, News Nation. Anyway, let's get to our video, why you get audited. What is the number one reason? And the number one reason, it's called the DIF score. The DIF score, the discriminatory index function score. It's been that way for a long, long time. So what is that? And tell me how that all works. Very, 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 very simple. Okay? The IRS algorithms scan your tax return and it pops up with a DIF score. What is the algorithm looking for? It's looking for tax credits that you take. It's looking for the national averages within what you make. So it scans your return, pops in your gross income, your adjusted gross income, and you know what it's doing? It's looking for all the deductions, the losses, the profits, everything you're taking, and it's comparing that with the entire national average. They have filters in there that take things out, that put things in. That's what IRS in fact does. Exactly, IRS will go ahead, run that DIF score, and boom, all of a sudden flags pop up. Does that mean your tax return is getting audited? Doesn't mean that at all. What it does, it takes the highest flag scores within a certain district or region and sends them down to the IRS office that have specially trained revenue agents to review these tax returns. The agents look at these returns and they see if they're audit worthy. If they are, they send them back up to the service center. Then the service center goes ahead and decides how many cases a region or a district can go ahead and work these cases by how many hours they have available and what's on those returns. And they send them back to the different areas to be worked. Now, just because you have a high DIF score doesn't mean your tax return is going to be audited by IRS. A good tax preparer and CPA should be able to tell you whether your score is, whether your tax return is audit worthy. One of the reasons former IRS agents like us are good is we kind of know by looking at the return what those things are. It's not a guarantee, but since we've done a lot of these, we know. If you're going through a tax audit, you want us to audit proof your return as best we can do that information. We are experts in IRS resolution matters. You've just heard it from me. I've been doing this 50 years. I'm a good source to rely on. I got 1,600 videos out. Give me a subscription if you would. I appreciate it. Thank you for listening.